Let me show you how you record sounds for words. I'm in StoryMaker and I'm going to write a story about the Kaituna walking track. Here is a picture of the river. So I'm going to put in the word Kaituna. Right, there we go. Kaituna walking track. Now if I go to next, it will tell us that Kaituna is not in the database. Anytime you type in a word that's not in the database, when you click on going to the new page, or when you click on finish the next button over here and finish and save, it's going to immediately tell you that that word is not in the database. Do you wish to add it? We'll hit the tick button. Yes, I do. Kaituna is a name, so I'm going to click the name, and then I'm going to hit the tick button, say yes, and then it brings up the microphone like this. Now you can change the level of the microphone. You'll see as I'm talking that the green bar is moving up and down, and you can set this to get it louder or softer, but what you want to avoid is it getting into the red region further over here. So I'm setting that. You can make sure you've got the right microphone connected, and then you just hit the record button. So I'll do that. Kaituna. And then you'll notice I hit the blue button to stop. Now we can play our word. Kaituna. That's right, but there's one really important step that you must take before you click on save. You need to move the bars in order to edit that sound. We're going to crop it. You don't want big gaps at the end and at the beginning. You just want the word. So hit the Kaituna. There we go. Now when I played it, that's right, I played it again. If you don't like your sound, you can just hit the record again and do it again. But I'm happy with that. So there we have it. It's saved. That's how you edit a sound. Now if we were to get out of StoryMaker now, out of the story, and we went into and just listened to our story.
Kaituna walking track.
We have got Kaituna in there.